to be quiet and there's absolutely not a chance.
Good evening. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a Chinese spaghetti dish. I know when you think of Chinese you don't necessarily think of spaghetti, it's more noodle based, but Mew taught me this, and when he first told me he was going to use spaghetti, I was very skeptical when I told him I wasn't going to eat it, but it is so good, so today I'm going to teach you how to make it. Okay, so I'm going to start by preparing a few spring onions. Just peel them and chop them. And garlic is really important. You want lots of garlic. Meanwhile, you can put a handful of spaghetti and boil it just as you would if you were making spaghetti bolognese or something. 10 minutes in boiling water. And you can prepare this before. Just once you've finished with it, put it in cold water until you're ready to fry it, because you'll fry it in a big wok with a load of soy sauce and things like that. So you can prepare it early and just put it in cold water. So you can put anything in this. Bacon is really nice to put in it, but today we're going to use cooked ham instead because we've got it and it's open, and I'm all for using things that you've already got before ending up having to throw them away. So today we're going to use some sweet baby peppers and some cooked ham. These peppers are so sweet. Lovely. And finally onto the ham, I'm just going to use maybe two slices and just cut them into cubes. Could do strips. I'm just going to do small chunks. Really doesn't have to be perfect. Can you bring me some prawn crackers? Oh no! Thank you! Okay, so what you'll need is your spaghetti that's been cooked. We've added cooked ham, garlic, pepper, and spring onion. You need a little bit of sugar, some salt, some Chinese gravy granules, but English ones will be fine, black pepper, this is broad bean paste, some ground cumin, light soy sauce, we've got another one here, dark soy sauce, and Chinese vinegar, and a little bit of oil to start it all off. Okay, so we've got a wok with some oil and garlic in, and then we're going to add some spring onion. So when you can smell the garlic and onion, we're going to add some broad bean paste from the Chinese supermarket.
Add a bit more, it's not spicy.
So when the oil changes colour, add in anything else you want. So here we've got cooked ham, and we're going to add some pepper and some sweet pepper. Perfect. And then you can add in any condiments that you want. So we're going with a little bit of cumin, some black pepper, and give it a nice stir. So when this is cooked, and make sure that the meat's not raw, then you can add in your spaghetti. And turn down the heat. Now we're going to add some Chinese vinegar. You don't need much of this either, just a capful. There we go. We added some water to keep it damp and then some light soy sauce. Now we're going to add a tiny bit of dark soy.
Don't need much.
Yeah. And this next step is very important, just a pinch of sugar. I never say no to sugar. Next we add some Chinese gravy granules and turn it back on the heat. We love coriander, so we've added a bit in there now. Give it a nice mix. And for us, we'd usually add some chilli oil, but we're cooking for my parents and they don't like spice that much, so we've left that out for now. And you can serve it with fried egg. I know when you think of Chinese, you don't necessarily Wilson!